Hello everyone, welcome to a second PicMonkey tutorial, and I am going to show you how to add overlays in PicMonkey. First, we're doing the basic overlay controls. Second, using blend modes with overlays, erasing overlays, and adding your own overlays. Let's head over to PicMonkey. Now, for example, this is the image or the template, blank template that we are going to edit. Now, head over to the overlay area, the butterfly icon, click on it, and you will see the different kinds of overlays. So, depending on your design, so choose whatever overlay you like. So, for now, let's choose creatures. I like these cutie animals. Let's choose this lion. So, adding overlays in your blank canvas is very easy. All you have to do is just click on it and it will appear here. Now, resizing it is also easy. You can click on the corners and drag, and see it you can change the size according to your preference by dragging the sides. If you want to stretch it out, all you have to do is click on the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the corners. So, see the difference? It stretches the lion or your image or your overlay. Now, this overlay has different colors. We also have overlays that has only one color. Like, let's choose this overlay. Now, this overlay has only one color. So to stretch it, I'm going to show you how to edit its color. And this overlay has two colors. So let's start off with this one. So this overlay has one color. If you want to change its color, just click on it in its overlay tab at the side. Just click on the color spectrum that you like. So that, like, I like it white. Now, as you can see, our overlay turned to white. If you have your own hex code or your brand colors, just type the hex code here, like this. See, it turned to black. Now, this overlay has two colors. In its overlay tab, you can see the colors, which you can change the same thing as we did the first overlay. So, choose the color that you prefer for the outline, or if you had preferred color with the hex code, just type it here, there. Or if you want a color that you don't know the hex code, you can use the dropper and drop it here. See, it took on the color brown, so that's easy to manipulate. Then with this guy here, changing its color according to gradient. So if you drag in the color spectrum, as you can see, it automatically changes according to gradient. So I like it blue, or purple. So it automatically changes the color of the whole overlay. So it's that easy. That's the basic overlay control. Now let's manipulate using blend modes. For example, this guy here. I have to erase this. And let's add blend modes. So, and I want to add another overlay on top of him. So let's choose a geometric shape. So all you have to do is stretch. And here at the blend modes below, at the overlay tab are different blend modes. Normal, add, darken, difference, hard light, lighten. So choose what suits your design. And its color or the result depends on the image that we have or its background. So for this one, let's choose the overlay. So takes on a different color. And it depends on your design. So it's easy. All you have to do is drag and manipulate the design according to your preference. And if you want to add text to your overlay, just head over to the text area and add text. And type it in. So it's that easy. And you can also change, if you do not like to change the blend mode, the blend mode that we have right now, you can change it back to lighten, multiply, hard light. So depending on your preference and your design. Now, I also forgot, if you want to flip your overlay, it's also easy. Just click on the overlay that you want to flip and click on the flip icons here in the overlay tab. See, in the lion, flip horizontal, vertical, you can flip it. Now, erasing overlays. Erasing overlays is quite easy. Choose the overlay that you want to add in our graphic. So let's choose a, let's see, let's choose, I'm looking for the band, no, it's, no, not that one. Okay, so for example, we're going to add a label. So click on a label that you like. Yes, it looks good. You can handle this. And stretch it according to the size that you like. See. Now, as you can see, a part of the overlay is on top of our lady here. So you can erase that area by going to the overlay tab. Click on erase, and you may change the eraser size and hardness, and then click on the area that you want to erase. So here, as you can see, the circles that covered the image is now removed. You can change the size to make the erasing faster, but in this area it's too small. You can change the size again, and let's zoom in by clicking on here, drag it to the area and erase. So this one is tricky. It takes some patience, but you'll get used to this. So you don't need Photoshop now to do this. I'll remove this entirely. Okay, so let's go back to the size and see. Now we've erased, oh, we missed part. We've erased an overlay. Let's see. So that's how you erase an overlay. Now let's say you have your own overlay. It's easy to add your own overlay. Just go to add your own here on top. Click and upload from your computer. Then click on your overlay. Usually, your own overlay consists of your own image or your own logos or your own icons that you would like to add to your design. So click on it. And it's now added to my design. Just reshape it so it fits the whole design. So that's how easy it is to add your own overlay. So that's it. That's quite easy to manipulate overlays using PicMonkey. So if you have any questions, feel free to add me on Facebook or send me an email at jadeconsorte.com at jadeconsorte@gmail.com. Thank you.